And here we are, we've just got onto this private lake. There's only us, alien versus predators, and beam house fishing this entire pond for the next 2 days. Catfish and sturgeon session, few mixed bag carp going in, but let's go. To the chaos of setting up. 48 hours, it's a catfish multi-species special, this for an AVP, so we'll be doing catfish, carp and sturgeon this session, hopefully. We've been preparing for a couple of weeks now. We're all good to go, man. We've got some proper stinky baits. We've got James with us, joining us today. We've got BMF and of course AVP. We're all going to group together. We've all got us craziness piled up. We're hopefully see some good action this session, because there's some big fish in this little pond. Next time you see this, we're going to have a bivvy up. So here we are, we set up. The house is set up for 2 days. The rods are in. Just had a little bit of interest on this second rod here just now. We've only been in water half an hour. I've been marinating some fish, some pellets, and glugging them away in this stinky glug here. So they're out at the minute. We sent bait boat out, tipped a bait of the spot up there, dropped the bait on it, and it's had a little bit of interest so far. A couple of beeps, could be a line knot, but so there's cats up to 55 in here, there's carp up to 30, there's sturgeon to 26. It's absolutely rammed with fish, so we should see some good action. We've got Alien 3 over there, Alien 2 is just down there, and that's us for 2 days. There we go. Somewhat showing interest down there. Let's see if we can get a fish early doors. So we're almost ready to, I've got 2 rods in. Alien 2 is just about to get the boat out. We're going to have a little look at what's going on the depth for the bottom. Have a look for any features, dips, holes, mounds, anything like that. There she goes. And map the lake out, find the underwater features, and then hopefully find the catfish.
4.5, 4'2".
So we're going to be running through some rigs and tips that we're doing, and we're not going to bore you to tears with the rig setups constantly, because that's what everybody does and we can't be asked for anything like that. As a lot of you'll know what you're doing. You don't need to see the rigs, because all the rigs are pretty much the same that everybody's using. There's a few little changes and tweaks. We've got some new BMF rigs that we're going to show you, but yeah, we're not going to bore you to tears with talking mundanely about rigs. We're just going to slam plenty of fish on the bank and keep you entertained.
Shallow up the back, 2'9".
2 foot, yeah, it'll drop. So what is it running? 4.5 foot, yeah. Okay, not massively deep then, is it?
No,
like I said, it's a private lake. There's only us on it.
one fish there, little fish, not set off the other.
Absolutely nobody else around for a good couple of miles. We've got special access today, well, for 48 hours to fish it. We're going to be we're going to be filming throughout the entire process. 2 days, so it should be a nice long video with plenty of action-packed footage. So I'm just talking to Alien 2. I was using this Pelican fermented shrimp boosted catfish bait, and from Dynamite Baits, and it stinks. Paired with what you're using there.
All matching 22mm pop-ups and 22mm pellets.
And there's his rig. There's his bait, sorry. Full range Dynamite Classics. Are you catching?
Not yet.
No, we've only been in water a couple of minutes, literally half an hour. We've all just set up base. So, hey, there you go. That's what we want to hear.
Little stuff that. That's on a Pango mainline pineapple pop-up glugged in Pango, that. And then me squidders.
Oh yeah, oh they look greasy, don't they? So we're hoping for some good cat action. It's going to be a nice day today and tomorrow. So once that sun starts warming up, I'm hoping it stirs them up a little bit. And I think these big carp in here will also whack one of them rigs.
Oh, I've got big rigs on, really big rigs on.
Yeah. I've just got Alien 2 here, Mr. Beamhouse, and it's just, come on, what have you just said to me? What, this is gold, this is like music to my ears.
For your tea tonight, would you like homemade chilli, or would you like homemade meatballs and spaghetti?
Oof, that's a decision that I'm probably incapable of making for quite a while, until I have to weigh up which is going to be the best.
For tomorrow's lunch, you've got quarter pounders with cheese, and then lunch today, we've got brioche hot dogs.
There we go.
And then you've got bacon butties in the morning.
There we go, there we go. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Drop in comments which you'd have. Let's have a quick look at it before you dip it in. This is a rig. The Medusa pop-up. Let's pop it in there, you can see. It's quite, yeah, it's quite clear, but it'll pop up just like that. Irresistible. I'll give that in a glug of oil and let's get it out. Look at this catfish skeleton. What the hell? Only a small one, but looks like something from a cartoon. So I've just got my hands on one of these, which if you're on our Facebook you'll have seen it, from Beamhouse Fishing. Walnut braid picker, poshest braid picker on market, and it looks like a cigar. How nice are they? Head over to the website, link in the descriptions, find them there. We've got Alien 2 here, in with a fish. Sturgeon. Nice, okay. There we go. So we're off the mark, first of the day. It's the first sturgeon for you, I believe, as well, is it?
Yes, yeah. Never really targeted sturgeon before.
Let's have a look at it then. Let's a little bit.
One sec, Martin, let me get something. Yeah.
Let's pull this net out, that's it.
Take it out of the cat line.
Yeah. Hey. What did that take?
Luncheon meat.
Luncheon meat.
About 5 minutes.
That's it, yeah. Luncheon meat. You ready? Is it? There we go. And there we go. We're off the mark. Let's have a look at him. New PB, yeah, first sturgeon. I'll grab that for you. It's a Siberian long nose.
Is that the long nose?
I think so, yep, it is. Ooh, lovely. Bobby rod there for now, just be careful not to stand on it. And there it is. Lovely fish. Here we go, we'll take a quick look at him. Illing 2. Oh yeah, beautiful. Brilliant. Let's get him back, eh?
Nice.
Could have another here. Illing 3, potentially got a run. It's on a dead bait rod, this. Is it running? No, I've got it here, it's stopped.
Scared of that one.
Ooh. So we've got this glug coming out, look at that.
Fermented shrimp.
Yep. So that's going to be a weapon of choice for one rod. So we're just coming into 5 o'clock ish. A nice little time. We've still only seen sturgeon yet. But we're hoping tonight just brings those cats on. Just rebaiting, it's going through a rebaiting process. Let's hopefully see a fish. Are you going to wear gloves to handle that smelly shrimp? Ooh.
Cook your dinner with these hands.
Oi, we're going to have fish chili hands. Stirring chili with your fingers.
Aye.
There he goes, hardcore, no gloves with his fanny fingers. Stinky fish fingers there for rest at night.
Friday night fingers.
Got a food review coming in, and this is Alien 2's Bankside chili.
World famous Bankside chili.
World famous, yeah. It's going to obtain a food review shortly.
Moist toilet white and an ice block to sit on.
Yeah. Plenty of bog roll.
Brought a fresh one.
Yeah, I have. Scented. Cushell.
Oh no, we're not that posh. That's to do with Andrex.
Have you seen price of toilet roll and kitchen roll? Isn't it just? What happened? When did it get?
That and fucking eggs.
Yeah, and silver foil. Fucking hell.
Isn't it?
Yeah, what happened? Go to the toilet, get toilet roll, it's like £6, isn't it, for rolls of toilet roll now? And if you go kitchen roll, toilet roll, just like the general shop.
Oh mate, honestly, you're remortgaging your house.
Yeah, it's bad. Don't know what happened. Marmite as well, it's nearly £4 a tub.
Oh no, you can keep your Marmite. Not interested in Marmite.
Oh, got cheese and Marmite on crumpets. Whew. And here we go. My mouth's watering. Oh, I was going to kick that on it. First mouthful. Jeez. Bankside chili.
What are you saying?
Spiciness after the second mouthful, I'm going to give it a 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Cooked lovely. Rice is nice. Oh. Lovely. I'm just sat in my bivvy, well, my spaceship, and I'm just thinking about his last session. I've just dropped my camera. I'm just thinking about my last session, well, when I was with Alien 2, and he had a massive hangover. So I'm going to just play you a clip from that session, and he had a little hangover. Just sat in the spaceship, waiting for a bite, thinking about poor Alien 2 when he had his hangover in his last session. I'll post a clip now so you can see him in action. And the whiskey's just made an appearance. The whiskey's made a brutal appearance for Alien number 2. He's feeling it today, he's poor lad. You have to send him some loving comments. Just that bailiff come round as well, and an Alien 2 just spewed up in front of bailiff. Oh well, we all have them, don't we? It's usually me. It's first hangover I've seen him with, to be fair. So need a fish, mate, to lift them spirits. You've what? Yeah.
On with it. Yes, get on with it.
Oh, I am enjoying this scene.
Get on with it.
So there we are. It's morning, 7 o'clock. Missed 2 runs at night. Still yet to put a fish on bank. So I've just rebaited these this morning. I've put double popped up boiler just at margin just here. I've just pelted a nice little boiler combination with a wafter on just above that tree at the back there. I will leave this one out for a little bit, and I'm going to switch it to a dead bait, a popped up smelt, something small, or popped up sprat, a bit later on this morning. But it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. So we're going to change his tactics a little bit today. We were fishing with some big pellets yesterday, big Medusa rigs with the worms, trying to tempt those bigger catfish, and it didn't really go to plan. So we're going to change tactics today, go a little bit smaller with the baits, not too OTT, not too aggressive, and see if we can find a couple that way. There's just been a massive one just jumping out there, about 5 rod lengths out for about 10 minutes, so they are active. Today's going to be a warmer day. Let's get some breakfast down his gullet, and let's see if we can sort this video out and get some fish on the bank. So we've got one. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Alien. Oh, has it come off? Fuck. That'll have to be beeped out. What was it? Ooh. Brilliant. So let's have a look what it's just taken. Yeah, that'll have been a catfish, wouldn't it? Or a big carp.
Oh, it definitely won't carp.
Oh, they're on. Okay, get it back out. That's a good sign.
Big drop back, that.
Yeah, okay. Sound. That's positive, mate.
Yeah. Fucking hell, rattling.
At least he's got blood boiling a little bit there. So, what do you think it was? A little bit swift on take, or did it run off? Yeah.
It dropped back.
Did
With
it?
these, it's bolt rigged.
Yeah.
So there's no waiting. I was probably too slow.
Yeah.
Too short.
Oh, right, okay. You had me excited then. Yeah, good. Well, it's positive, mate. It's a good start to the day. Get it back out. So we just had some breakfast, bacon butties, a bit of Tommy sauce. Both of us now have scaled us rigs right down. We've had a bit of alteration to us bait, the structure at bait. I've opted for 3 rods, one with dead bait, one with boiler and one with pellet. Mix it up a little bit. I think you've done the same pretty much, haven't you? But minus the dead bait.
Yeah, I've gone, well, put one on boilie and 2 on worm, popped up worm. One of them's more like a wafter worm just off bottom. And then one's popped up about 6 inches.
It's going to reach about 18 degrees today, which might stir them up. We're hoping so. Let's hope we can have a better day today. Get some wet nets. Like I say, I'm going to stay off that spam. I know it's good for catfish, but we don't want to be picking that sturgeon up again. And you're guaranteed if you chuck a bit of meat out there, it's going to whack it. Yeah, that's it. You can be catching them 2 or 3 times a day if you stick with that kind of method. But it just loves spam, that thing.
Spam and salmon.
It's a shame really, because I do like fishing spam for, you know, carp and cats, but you've got an high chance of getting that again. So we've just sent the boat out with a bait. We've got it, I'll show you where it is, but we've just sent it out. We've just baited a spot. I've got a nice bed of dead bait as well. See if we can pick that diamondback sturgeon up. I've just baited right in front of those trees over there with the atom. So it's a waiting game now. It's wilderness poo time for you, isn't it?
I need to have a wash, French shower first.
Yeah. Did all that this morning, but I've just been handling dead bait, so I'm back to... Yep.
Make up this drop bait.
It's getting warmer now already though than it was yesterday. You can feel it a little bit now earlier. It's at 10:30. It was at least 1 o'clock until it picked up yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You can feel that sun's already stronger, so hopefully that'll turn them on. If nothing else, mate, we'll eat like kings. So on today's menu, we've had bacon butty from breakfast this morning, as you've seen. We've got meatballs and spaghetti and cheese quarter pounders. So we're not going to go home hungry. So we'll just get another. He's sending it out.
No, I'm just prepping all this now.
A little mix together.
Need to throw some out by hand over right hand rod.
Yeah.
I had anything over it this morning. Left hand rod had about 1 kilo go out with it. But we'll get all this out now.
Yeah, so we had to run last night on this rod here as well, on this right hand rod, which is over in Reeds here, and then when it's come to get hold of it, it's over here and dropped it. So what do you think it was, cat?
Yeah, I think so.
And that little bit of action I had at night, but again, slow going. I was thinking this video we're going to be action packed. Need to redeem it today. We're doing everything right. We're scaling down the yesterday's tactics because that didn't really work. Going all out with the big cat baits, the big pellets with the Medusa rigs. Are you going to try one of those today? I might do a little bit later on.
What's that?
Medusa rig again. Get worms. Yeah, it worked for me after like sunset.
Both mine are on Medusas now.
Right, yeah. So I'll probably switch to one just before sunset and just put it in these margins here. But we found a gravel bar about 100 yards out here. Trusty Boats just found it with sonar, so we've just dropped some bait on it. See if we can pick a nice big carp up. Yeah, I did just say that. Yeah. Take anything at this point. I'd take a bream, mate. I'd be happy with a bream.
Oh, I wouldn't go that far.
No, I would. I'd be happy with a bream. I think my reactions need testing soon. With a nice screamer, just to make sure I'm still on my A game after a long wait for a fish. Time for a pot noodle. So I've just run down there, duck's eating all my bait, look. Hi Mr. Mallard. Anyway, Mrs. Mallard actually. Mister's there, look, having a cruise on my bait. So I've just run down there because Millie and 2 were in there. Mr. 2, Mr. Team 2 was in, but it came off unfortunately. And I ran down, and I've had a broken foot this week. I've been off work, had to go to A&E, X-ray, blah blah blah. Broke a bone in my foot, and I just ran down there. Now it's throbbing like mad. Positive to see the fish coming out though, or at least biting. Let's hope today's a better day, man. Just walked down to some gourmet cooking. Oh wowza. Nice one, man.
Ketchup are out.
I'll have a bit of red, yeah.
Well, do you want jerk?
Go on, yeah, let's go naughty and go for jerk chicken, man. Absolutely sound, thank you. Jerk barbecue sauce. Nice one, man. Well, I've done all morning, just fucking eat as well.
They can't eat you, they will be eaten instead.
Yeah, so we've just had a run on a dead bait rod over there. But missed it because line were cut round reel. Ten out of 10 Bankside snap that.
Alright.
Yeah. 10 out of 10 campsite snap.
Double quarter pounder with cheese.
Yeah, man. Heavy. Feeding time at the zoo. Let's hope the fish have the same mentality. So I'm just going to bring this rod in. I put a bit of a wild card on it before, and I cast out at Midlet Lake just to see. About 3 hours ago. It's had nothing. Let's have a look at these worms. Great worms, these just stay alive. Look at that. It's been out about 3 hours. Good going strong then. So what I'm going to do is, I've been baiting this swim on this margin just here, and I'm going to put this out literally just there. So we'll see how we go. Still early in the day, so I'll get this rod set back up on the alarm and get back sat down after that big beefy burger. Absolutely delightful, that burger. So we're definitely not starved while we've been on the bank. His culinary Bankside skills are second to none. Right, I'll get this rod set up. Hiya love, you okay?
I love you, alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
Good, Grand National time. What you betting on?
I've chosen my 3 and I've got 2 picked out for you.
Okay, which are? Go on, I'm interested to see what the names are.
One's 3 card brag.
Yep.
And one is Hewitt.
Ooh. Which is looking the favourite?
Let me have a look at the odds. Hewitt's a favourite. It's got. I was thinking of doing it myself, so that you've got to do that one.
So shall we have like? Shall we put like 100,000 on it?
Yeah, go on then.
Okay.
Where
And the house.
Yeah.
Mine's just screamed off as well. Oof. Here we go. Sturgeon on a tiny little rod. Look at that rod. Yes. It's not what we're looking for though, this is it?
We've had this.
We've had this already. Damn thing. I bet it's a great laugh on that little rod, isn't it? Oh, not ready yet. There we go, this time. Yep, he's in.
Right.
Yep. How good was that on the little rod?
6 foot Mitchell.
6 foot Mitchell rod. Hey, well it's not what we're looking for, but it's got your blood going, hasn't it?
Just hit it, it just went bug off.
Yeah, I just had a nice little screamer on that rod then. It went off, I was just doing some filming and it screamed off about 6 brings, and then someone just totally picked it up, ran with it. Just I lifted, rod's about to strike, it's just dropped off, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, cut that meat down a little bit, I think, because I think it would have carp that.
This was only a small cube on this.
See you next time.
Anybody else eat the spam? Whoa! Just as I said that then. Well, I'll tell you what does eat my spam. A fish on that rod. Someone's just pulled that then. We've got spam on there. Come on. Go again. Well, that would have been good. Just when I was just making a bit of boring footage about spam. Rod had a little scream. So there's fish in the swim, which is nice. I'll have a bit more of this spam. So nice. Just rocking chunks down like that. Come on, come back. We can eat spam together. We're in. Diamondback sturgeon, well done. That's one of the, we wanted to see this one. Pasty rod again. Is it the diamondback or the same one?
Diamondback, this one.
Good, because that, oh, well done. Oh yeah, it's a better looking fish, this one. Oh yes. What did it take, mate?
Yeah.
Look at that. This is your new PB on a 10 to, what's the rod?
5 to 15 gram.
5 to 15 gram rod, and it's a good 20-pound fish, that. It's working all right, that little rod, isn't it? We just put this little rod at margins, just a little bit of a laugh, and it's gone twice.
Both sturgeon have taken it.
That one's not quite ready yet. Let's have a look. No, not ready yet. Oh. Right, it's time. Turn it round, and he's in. Well done, mate. Yep, we've got him. Ooh. Yes. Well done, mate. So that's it. We're ticking them off now. This is one of them we wanted to see. Have a little rest, mate. Have a little rest, mate. This is a good looking fish, this one.
Sturgeon done. I've literally just put that rod back out at night, carp rod out, and then all I heard was splash, and then rod tip just bent, so I just picked up into it, so the black backed. Yeah, no you.
Brilliant.
Diamond back.
Right, we'll get unhooked and we'll get some pictures. Just gonna give it a little, see what it comes in on.
Miles off. Definitely smaller.
Oh yeah. 19 up nose. You're absolutely bang on.
17.
17. Let's have a look at it. Here we are. Diamondback coming in at sort of 17, was it?
17.
17. He's having a bit of an issy fit, so let's get him back here. Lovely fish though. He's in! Get in! He's in! He's in, he's in. And I can't run because I've got a broken bone in my foot. This looks like a better fish, James! Well done. Catfish, gets in! Looks like a nice one too, mate. Where's your net? Yeah, I know, I'll just get it wet. Let me pull this pasty in because... Oops. Watch the main event, which is the meatballs and pasta for tonight. Get in, James. Get in, lad. And this is what we come for. I think it's going to come alive tonight. I've just had two wicked little pulls on that Iceland rod. The island, not Iceland. Mothers go to Iceland. Oh, it's off. Oh, fuck. Beep. Bollocks. Woo! Right, they're on. Is that off that end rod as well? That were a cat, that wasn't it? Hot Medusa rig as well. Right, get it back out. Keep going, eh? Unlucky, mate. Unlucky, pal. Unlucky. And here he is. AVP2 is in again with a cat. He's just put rod out just after that last run and he's into another. Go on, lad. We were just saying it's looking good for a fish this evening. Well,
playing this a bit gingy.
I was just going to say that. Be nice and just steady with that because we need one up bank.
Do you want to get past the rod in out wide?
Yep. Shift the little pasty wasty rod. I'm not going to be too hasty with net this time.
No.
Well done. That's just, I reckon it's that lamprey oil, that. How's it feeling? Like a decent one?
It's fucking bouncing this, mate.
Brilliant. Right, I'm not going to be too hasty, but that is what we come for.
Just about to have a ciggy and do washing up as well.
Yeah, we've just had a brilliant tea. He's just excelled himself again as AVP Ramsey.
Oh, it's not even it's about quarter way out. Put a weight across.
It's coming.
Flicking off all sorts.
Yeah, it's bouncing around.
I don't fucking like it.
All tail, aren't they? Oh, it's on it right over there, look. This might be a long old play. Certainly is. Just need them Wren rods to start going now, mate. Oh, actually, yeah, look at that.
Did you get that?
It's on, mate. Yeah, I should have picked it up. That nice little tail flick off the catfish there.
About 25, 30 pounds there.
Put up a good old fight. Great time of day as well to be landing a fish. Oof, it's coming. Right.
Net Martin.
Yep, it's net time. Just dip it in. Off we go. There's no dry nets down this neck at Woods in Hotel Tropicana. Yeah, it's been the hottest peg of the session. Just got that sun setting as well.
It's taken 36 hours to get a run off that spot.
Yeah, and we've had
3 in the last hour.
Yeah. Here we are with the Wells catfish. Fell to a Medusa rig. Bathed in bloody lamprey, holy mackerel. On a bed of pellets.
New dynamite boilies on as well.
Yeah. Ooh, lovely. Well played, that one.
Go for breeds. Mind the net, Martin, mind the net.
Come on.
Right, just watch the net now.
Yep, where is it? Pull him up. He's got it, that's the one. Not ready yet. And he's in, mate. He's in. Oh, yes.
Not quite in.
He's in. Go on, lad. Whew. Right.
Don't fucking bank.
Cat on the bank, cat on the bank. And that's what we like to see. Right, let's get him out and rested. Let's have a look at him. Getting a little bit excited now. We are. Because that's a chunky old catfish. What's your guesstimate on weight? I'll put 28 on it.
I'll go 20. I'll go 25.
Look at that, we can just see worms in its mouth. Look at that. Oh yeah. Beautifully hooked. And there we have it. I'll just pull that out of there, mate. Catch its fin. Right, I'll just clear your hook. Right, hook's clear. Yes! Woohoo!
Fuck for that.
Right, so we'll take 2 off foot sling. I'm saying 28.
Sling's 114-ish, so we'll take 2 off.
Ooh, 25, you were right. So, then 24, 15. So 22. Looks bigger, doesn't it?
22, 23, innit?
Yeah. Right, we'll have a look at him now. And here we go. AVP Catfish Special. And here we go, we've got one on the bank. My rod's bleeping. Smash him, mate. Let's get him back because I can hear my rod running. Well done, buddy, well done. So as you've just seen, we've just had a cat. My rod just screamed off while I was down there helping out with that cat, and so I've just come back up. Nothing drastic, but I've missed it all the same. Sun's setting, let's hope for some more. Here we've got some mating geese. There you go. Singing to each other, doing a little dance, and they're getting a bit jiggy with it. They're doing this like little washy thing where they're like washing each other. It's pretty cute. Look, they're like having a wash, then they get on it. I can't let that bit highlight at day. We've got to see some more fish. Here we go with our 4th edition of the Bankside Culinary Delight. Pasta, meatballs. Such a delight.
Shit.
Do note 5-second rule's been increased to 7.3 now because of inflation.
One for ducks.
Oh, it'll be back them ducks. Love a bit of pasta.
Went a bit mad on sketty, didn't I?
Here we go. Another 10 out of 10 Bankside dinner by AVP number 2. Look at that, sun setting. Meatball pasta, chilli, rods out. We're just saying, if anything, it'll be a good cooking programme, this. If we don't see any cats, we'll turn it into a cooking programme.
Pull my finger out my ass and start landing them. See if you.
Yeah, we'll see one, mate. We'll see one. Let's tuck him. So I've just had a run on this left-hand rod off that far bank, and we're just sailing Night Rider back in now.
Do a donut.
A little donut, and then back on here it comes. Yep, hope it's going to be a busy night.
It's looking that way, isn't it?
Yep. Let's go.
4 runs in the last hour.
4 runs in the last hour, yep. Let's go.
We're washing up.
Oh, look at the colour of that sky. Beautiful. So it's that time. I've got in the bivvy, the sun's setting. Let's hope it's a long night. Sun's coming up, and that's it, day 3. I got woke up at 5 o'clock this morning with a bloody carp. AVP2 woke up this morning with a bloody bream, both just as bad. Anyway, I've put carp in sling. Just have a little look at it this morning. I just lobbed it in sling and went back to bed. It took a cat rig, but yeah, just a little steady pack up this morning. We're not in a rush to get off. Still got 2 rods out. We've got 4 out in total together, so we've still got a couple out. We've still chance of another fish before we go. Like I said yesterday, if you could just like and subscribe, it's completely free, doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe, that'd be amazing, and we can keep getting these videos, keep putting some fish on the bank. There's not been that many big fish come out of this pit on this session. There are some massive fish in here, so we'll be back when it warms up a little bit. I think we'll be back and we'll have another go on it for you and see if we can get some of those bigger cats out and the bigger carp. Well, when I say carp, carp, if one takes us the line, but the bigger cats, that's what we came for. So at least we've seen one, we've not blanked, we've put one on bank for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see if we can get another fish before. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe. Let's keep getting some alien madness on the bank, some fish done. We've got loads of stuff planned for this year. Lure fishing soon, so right, I'm going to shut up because I'm knackered. Cheers. Come here. Come here. Here we go. This is what woke me up. What are you doing taking my catfish bait, Mr. Carp? Here we go. Go home. Let's get him back. Let's get him back. Sorry, I didn't mean to take your catfish bait. So there you go. That was a little pasty that got me up at 5 o'clock this morning. So I've just set our rods out again. We've just rebaited. I've got one right on the far margin. There's been a few big fish topping and topping up there. Not sure if they're carp or cats. And I've just set another one on a little island with the feature we found with a sonar. So last 3 hours. Let's see if we can get you another fish before we're away. Just starting to have a little pack down. Beautiful morning. Let's try and get another before we sod off. Don't know what's worse, me having a pasty carp or AVP2 having a bream. Are you gutted you didn't get that bream in? Are you gutted you didn't get that bream in? Oh, it's a lovely morning. It is, aye. Best morning we've had without the wind as well.
Just a bit of a light breeze, isn't there?
It's like Club Tropicana 2 up there.
Won't go that far. There will only be one.
Well, that's it. That's us drawing to a close for the session. Could have gone better, but we've put some fish on bank anyway. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Do appreciate it. If you would subscribe, that'd be sick. Let's get. We're planning another trip soon. We'll be on lures all spring, all summer. Predator fishing, chub, zander, perch and pike. We'll be going for it heavily, so videos will keep coming, that's a fact. But until next time guys, thanks for watching, and tight lines, get on it, get some fish on bank, beam me up Scotty, peace and love from AVP. Oh,
That one, that's leaking off oil.
fuck.
All the way over here.
Jeez, that's boiling that. Get it straight back out. Ooh. Oh. That's because we were sat a little bit further away. We were sat having a coffee down there and you could hear it screaming off. God damn. Come on, back out. Let's have one before we go. Right, I've packed camp up. Just had an absolute screamer. I was down there having a brew with AVP2. I'm a poet and I don't know it. Tell you what, I'm not leaving these rods now. Ah! There he goes. Being followed by the horses. I think he's got some food. Session over. Like and subscribe, guys. It'd mean a lot just to get the channel moving a little bit. AVP, just kindly sponsored by Beamhouse Fishing. Let's get some more fish on the bank. Like and subscribe, guys. Have a top day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.